Namaste friends. In previous lecture, I explained you the natural heritage of India. In this lecture, we will try to understand the cultural heritage of India. So, exactly what is the meaning of cultural heritage? Naturally, you understood whatever the beautiful landscape and everything we got from the nature. But cultural heritage means that all physical structure which are created by human being with the efforts of his mind, skill, intellectual and wisdom. That is the cultural heritage. Means whatever the creation of human being where he use his intellect, his efforts, his mind, his wisdom, that all things are included in cultural heritage. Okay, the people of India from the prehistoric period have contributed to the people of the world this kind of cultural heritage. Remains of Indus Valley civilization till today, so many different aspects are there which are related with cultural heritage. So what are that exactly? See here, component of cultural heritage. So architecture and sculpture. You know, from the Indus Valley civilization to today modern time, so many giant, big and wonderful structure and architecture we can see in India. Cave of Ajanta and Ellora. It is a magnificent. Okay. How at that time when there was no machine, only with the help of hammer and satchel, people developed that type of giant uh, places. It is really wonderful. Okay. Next is handicraft and fine art. You see in your home also, our parents, our grandma, all these were very fond of to make the different kinds of things at home, especially so many handicraft things. Okay, so that is the part of cultural heritage. Similarly, textile and embroidery in next chapter, all these things we are going to study in detail. But here I want to just tell you what are the components which are included in cultural heritage. Next is your clay work, that is called the matikam. Okay, brick work and different kinds of other, making the pot and everything that is included in this. Next, leather work, okay, bead work, jari work, metal work, wooden work, painting, music and dance, of course, and both type of dance, classical and folk dance. Okay, and last is the acting. All these things we will study in next chapter, but you should know what is the exact component, what is included in cultural heritage. So all these things are included in cultural heritage. Okay, and that is the handicraft and fine art, it is included. After that, literature. You know, our Asian literature, Vedas, and till today modern literature, it's reflect okay the mentality, the thinking, the philosophy of the people. That is the rich and varied heritage we have. Science and Asian technology. You know very well from the Asian time we were very powerful in the field of science, technology, mathematics, medicine, and so many other matters related with science. So that all things are included in science and technology. That is the cultural heritage. Okay, so Including all this, if you see our cultural heritage from Harappan civilization, Indus Valley civilization till today, so many different things you can see. Okay, and it make our heritage rich and varied. The contribution of the people is innumerable. We can't forget that all great people who have contributed, they put their efforts. It doesn't matter whatever field is there. Okay, so this is our cultural heritage. In next part, I will explain you the cultural heritage of Gujarat. Okay, because we are living in Gujarat, we should know how rich and varied heritage we have and what is our history. That at least we should know in the medium of this chapter. इस चैप्टर के माध्यम से कम इतना तो हमको अंडरस्टैंड करना पड़ेगा. सो वी कैन फील प्राइड. हमको गर्व महसूस होगा. यस, वी आर लिविंग in such a land where rich and varied heritage is there. Okay, bye.